Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Loginaid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into Gesa Credit Union account online. Firstly, go to your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Safari for now. Then, on the search box, search for gesa.com and then press enter. This will take you to the website. Gesa Credit Union is a financial institution that offers various banking services including credit cards to its members. Before we begin, you should make sure that you have an account to log in. If you do, then you may proceed. To do so, you will have to click on the login button at the top right corner of your screen right beside the Become a Member button. This will further open a new tab where you will have to enter your login credentials to log into your account. However, if you do not have an account yet, you may click on the register link right below your forgot password link. If you do, then you may proceed with entering your user ID in the first text box. Then you may enter your password in the second. In any case, if you forget your user ID or your password, you may click on the forgot user ID link, or you may click on the forgot password link right above the register link. Once you make sure that you filled in all your details correctly, then you may click on the continue button in blue. Once you do that, you will have successfully logged into your Gesa Credit Union account online. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.